Here we are fishing. We've got 3 rods out over here. We're watching the blue heron over here fish on the bank, and we're trying to catch these catfish over here. Another rainy, sprinkling weekend, right?
Right.
So let's catch dinner. See some slack line over here. Tighten it up. Maybe something on there. I bet they ate the bait off.
Probably.
Right?
Probably.
I saw that slack line and I'm like, okay, something's been messing with it. You bet. We have something on it. Let's just check it out. It's been time. Okay.
Yeah. No, it's still there.
Oh, just barely. Okay.
They're just eating around the hook.
Well, we're just sitting here waiting for the catfish to jump on my line. Cyndi went over to get maybe some cool video of Bernie, the blue heron. He's over there fishing. All the ducks, all the geese came in, and now they've left. Who's gonna make a night of this fishing? Was that? Oh, that was me. If you've ever watched those fishing shows, you know how hard it is to actually capture catching a fish. I'm gonna do my best. Blue heron's flying in. Change positions. Here comes Cyndi. It's getting darker. Can't really see it on the video. It looks light, but it's getting darker, and we're gonna put the light out in the water, and it's gonna attract all these minnows. We're gonna get minnows up, switch to minnows, and see how it goes. Okay, here we are in the rain. It's starting to rain. We're sprinkling. We're gonna weather this out here in the rain. We're gonna do this mini beer. Cheers.
Yes. Cheers to the rain.
What is this? This is a boat mini beer.
A boaty
So,
beer.
a boaty-
It's a boaty beer.
On a boat. Okay, so what is that? That's Fireball, Kahlua, and cream.
Oh, nice.
Okay, so
Cheers.
right, cheers. We're gonna catch these fish,
Yep.
and we're gonna do a recipe for you. But if we don't, it might have to be hamburger stuffed jalapenos.
Which is gonna be amazing as well.
We'd rather have the fish. So
Yeah, we would.
here we go.
We got backup plans though.
Right, we're gonna get the minnows with the
Oh,
green
yes.
light. It's getting darker.
Wait
we got
to
the
s-
green light.
Wait
out.
to see this. You'll love it.
I feel lucky tonight.
Yes.
Got her, so all set. All right, grab the net.
No way.
Here we go. Oh, it's a little one. Get him in the boat.
Oh, you don't need a net.
Throw back. Yeah.
Oh, bummer. Hang on.
But you can grab the pliers. Okay, here we are. We've got the cheeseburger jalapenos wrapped in bacon, right?
Yeah.
We're still fishing out here. The rain's kind of stopped, but we're over here in the galley hanging out. Let me show you these jalapenos. There we go. Air fryer special.
Yeah.
Right. Okay, we got sauces. What do we got here? Cholula, Serrano, Ducatillo,
Sriracha.
Scorpion, and
This is both of those. are
Sriracha.
Sriracha, yeah.
right?
Yep.
Okay. So we're gonna put some sauce on here. Have a little snack while we're fishing. So tell me what you think.
Me?
Oh yeah.
Take a bite.
What do you think? Pick your sauce.
Oh.
And so you put the hamburger meat with the the cheeseburger, or the onions and the fresh onions and garlic and everything. Put an egg in there. You put nutritional yeast in there, and
I think I'm gonna do Serrano for one, and then I'm gonna do Scorpion for one.
okay.
Maybe Cholula for one.
You try the Serrano. I'll try the Scorpion,
Okay.
and then we'll switch.
Okay. Oh, you hear Frank outside?
Oh yeah, the sucker fish.
Frank
Was
is
that
our sucker fish. He's busy.
Scorpion?
Yeah.
Okay.
They're hot. But who doesn't love bacon?
Oh, that's a winner. All right, here we go.
Okay.
Let's try that out. Cheeseburger jalapeno. Bacon.
It's good. It's good.
We're just fishing, hanging out.
Waiting on the minnows to come up. We did look a minute ago, and we've got baby minnows.
Oh,
the
yeah.
Green light, because it was raining, so we had to wait on it to finish raining.
Yeah,
so
they're starting to run up on the fishing light, and
so you have the little bitty minnows, and then the bigger minnows.
Yeah. Well, it's still early, so.
Yeah. And then the bait minnows.
We got the one catfish, but it was too small. Had to throw it back. So we're gonna eat these jalapenos. Stick with us. Here it is, the next day, the next morning. Well, we fished all night and went to bed, what, about midnight?
Yeah.
And had a couple nibbles, but didn't produce anything.
No luck.
Right. So, wake up, and then we started fishing again at 6 a.m. Okay.
Yeah, 6 something.
So, a bunch of shad were running around the boat. Kind of, we could hear that going on, all the sounds. We put the rods out, put some shad on the rods, and then I hear the rods, you know, knocking.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
So I jump up, get out there, and did you get a video of that? A little bit?
I did get a video of that. Yeah, a little
Then I
bit.
pulled in, the first fish was nice size,
Good size.
right?
Yeah.
And then we waited a little bit longer, and we got another fish, about half that size.
Yeah.
And that one ended up going back. And then we got this last one, which is another huge
Very
fish.
big fish, yeah.
These are catfish, right?
Yeah.
So what we're going to do now is get them out of the ice chest, measure them out, weigh them, you know, all that stuff. And let's see what we got. Then we'll cook them up later for you guys to see how we do that.
Yes.
So let's get this morning going.
Good morning.
Okay, let me get these fish out and show you guys. Not too shabby for Lewisville, right? That's one of them. There's a big one right there. We're going to weigh them and measure them and fillet them. It's going to be a good day. Kind of overcast, but we're going to make the best of it. Alright, I got the scale on the ground, the fish in the hand. 144.2.
That's a big fish.
Let's go do the next one. I'll weigh it. $145.6. And finally, how much does the captain weigh? 140. Okay, we'll do the math on that. We're gonna measure them now. That was how much? 8.2 pounds of catfish. One of them was a 4-pounder, one of them was a 5-pounder. That's 3.4 pounds and 4.8 pounds.
That's good.
Right? So a total of 8.2 pounds. Pretty good catch there. We're going to measure them now. What do we have here? 21. And what do we have here? 22.
Nice. Oh yeah, he's
cooperating still. I didn't get fins. Don't worry.
That's good.
We get these big old fish out. Check them out. And prep them. That hook out of there. Pretty good looking fish right there. Come back here. Those are going to be some good fillets right there.
Yeah, they are.
All right, I've got the fillets here. I'm going to remove some bones and skin. Sharpen the knives up. Get the skin off. I eat the skin a lot of times, but for this recipe, taking it off. I'm not frying them, so if I was gonna fry them, I'm probably leave the skin on. But a little bit easier on that one. One of the reasons I like the 3 or 4 pounders is because you get a good sized fillet, right? Pretty good fillet, and they haven't been in the. They're not that old. They haven't been in the water that long. So any chance of mercury or anything is way less, a lot less than, let's say, store-bought tuna. Been in the water, huge tuna, long time, swordfish, something like that. Red snapper. They all have more mercury levels in them because they are bigger fish and they've been in the water a long time absorbing it. Okay, here we've got the catfish and shrimp with avocado. Then we have our margaritas. Cranberry margaritas with blood orange. Here we are with the catfish cooked, ready to eat, right? So we've got a little shrimp on our catfish here, we call it. Yes. We got our blood orange cranberry margarita. All right, let's make a toast. Here's to.
Cheers.
Here's to fishing.
Rain.
And love in the air.
Yes. That's good. That's good margarita.
We've got the rain out here raining on us again, but we have made the best of it. Caught the fish.
Yeah.
Brought this to you guys, and we're ready to eat. This is only 2 of the fillets. We've got 2 more big ones, right?
I know.
Okay.
They were big fish.
Right, but you guys got to follow us along the journey, and you guys got to see us make it and see what we do here on the boat. So like and subscribe, will you? And help us grow this channel, and we'll bring more sailing adventures to you. And as soon as it stops raining.
Now it's time to eat.
Now it's time to eat.
Let's eat.
Here we are.
It's still raining.
It's still raining. We're going to play a game. So this is ransom notes.
Thanks, Mom.
Oh, yeah. Thanks. We have this tray here with these magnet words. There we go. 100 words. We have a metal plate here we stick them to. We're going to answer these cards in the most outrageous answer. Sentence.
That's what's, yeah, the most outrageous.
Right?
Yeah.
Okay. So here we go.
And then we pick who has the best answer.
Right. The most outrageous wins. Okay.
Okay.
So let's get started on this.
Okay.
So we draw the card. What happens in The Lion King?
What?
There's the question. What happens in The Lion King?
And we have to make a sentence of what happens?
For $200, what happens in the... Okay. Look over your stuff there, Cyndi, and let's see if you can make a sentence.
Okay. You have to make one too.
I know. And the most outrageous wins. I think we have
An answer.
a couple answers here. The question, what happens in The Lion King? Now, everybody knows this, right? Can you remember? It's been a while. Okay, most outrageous wins. Who goes first?
You go first.
My sentence is eliminate mean Mr. Nature Creep before grand struggle.
That's actually pretty good. That's actually pretty good. Mine is so dumb. Young champion crashing enemy innards.
Which one is more outrageous?
I like yours way better. Say it again.
Eliminate mean Mr. Nature Creep before grand struggle.
I like that one. That one's gonna be. I like that one better.
Young champion crashing enemy innards.
I like yours better. I think yours is the winner.
Okay, what do you guys think? Comment below.
This is the winner.
We're going to tally at these comments and
See who's the
you're helping
actual
us
grand
play the
champion.
game, right?
Yeah.
Because we can't judge ourselves here.
No, we can't.
Okay, so
We can't use these words again.
I'm kind of biased to my answer. I'm
your
glad
answer.
you picked it. You know?
I like your answers better.
Yours was crafty. I like that.
But
Okay.
yours is the whole mean Mr.
Nature creep.
Yeah, that was the winner.
All right, so here's the next
question.
Okay, next question. Write a phone alert telling people to immediately take shelter from an incoming tornado.
Ooh.
A phone alert.
Phone alert for an incoming tornado.
Telling people. Okay, here we go. Write a phone alert telling people to immediately take shelter from an incoming tornado. Okay, your turn. What do you got, Cyndi?
I said, danger, take shelter from hostile swinging Beast Daddy force bomb impact.
Ooh, that's pretty good. You want to hear mine? Okay.
Yes.
Avoid this crucial skeleton tissue blast zone alarm.
Say it again.
Avoid this crucial skeleton tissue blast zone alarm.
That's awesome.
Skeleton tissue blast zone. Okay, so what do you
So do
think?
you like hostile swinging Beast Daddy force bomb? Or do you like skeleton?
I don't know. It might be a toss-up on that one, right?
Crucial skeleton tissue blast zone. I don't know. They're both good. We need a
Okay,
tiebreaker.
this is another one for you guys to comment below. Let us know what's most outrageous.
Which one?
We can't decide here, obviously. Okay. Okay.
That's
Do you
good.
want to
That's
do
good.
another round? Okay.
Let's do one more.
Let's do one more round.
Yeah.
Write a Facebook comment your grandmother might post on your recent profile picture. Okay.
I mean, yeah, I'm not sure you want to know the way my grandmother used to think.
Well, you're going to get to know us better now, right?
I
Okay.
know.
There it is. Facebook comment your grandmother might post on your recent profile picture. Be right back. Okay.
Okay.
Facebook comment your grandmother might post on your recent profile picture.
Remember, it's outrageous.
Outrageous.
What's
Okay.
yours?
So I said, hey, ugly man, why your brain broken crusty finger wave? Did you get that? Hey, ugly man, why your brain broken crusty finger wave?
She put you off?
My profile picture is this.
Oh, yeah.
The wave is crashing all over me and my hair, or lack of.
I was
okay.
like thinking.
My grandmother, you know what a finger wave is? Where you take the gel and you go, and then
I do.
like back in the
But
40s.
I was thinking the middle finger wave.
Well, I thought that too. Hey, ugly man, why your brain broken, crusty finger wave? Okay.
Oh, my so much
Okay.
worse.
Okay. What do you have, Cyndi?
I want to say this. I seem to insult me thick booty with surprise sin too.
Your grandmother talks to you like that? Which
It's
one?
Outrageous. Outrageous. It would probably, well, I can tell you
Say it
there's
again.
two that could possibly, in a drunken moment when she was younger, could have possibly said that. Two of them.
Why you be acting like that, Cyndi?
I seem to insult me thick booty with surprise sin too.
Okay, I get it now. That's pretty good. I'll give her that one on this. I seem to insult me booty. Was she from Ireland or something?
Yeah, maybe. Obviously, in her past life, she was.
Me thick booty with surprise sin too. Okay. I don't know what happened back in the 50s.
I don't know either.
Maybe you guys could judge which one do you think is more outrageous, okay?
Yes.
So this is what we do. Outrageous stuff.
When it
Okay.
rains.
Right, so take two.
Yes. We're going to
Okay.
make more fish later.
Yeah, we're going to do that. We're going to make some more food. Going to kick back in this rainy weather and just
Relax.
maybe play a game, relax. Maybe we'll make a drink. We might have a drink coming up next, so stay tuned.
Yes.
Here we're going to make this drink. Okay, tropical. Let's get in the spirit here. Okay, we got to start with the Kraken rum, 94 proof. Pineapple coconut seltzer, sweetened. And we have our NutriBullet with ice ready to go. We have cream over here. So this is going to be a pineapple coconut cream
Yeah.
rum. Okay. Here we go. That's 1.5 shots each.
We need a little bit of tropical in our life.
Right.
It's raining. Although it rains.
Right.
A
Okay.
lot.
Then we're going to put the cream in there. After the rum. All right. Let's go ahead and put our pineapple coconut. I'm a fan of the NutriBullet for many things, but it works better than the old blenders used to. I know this is a simple one. I bet it's going to taste good. Okay.
It's going to be delicious.
Right?
Yeah.
A little whipped cream on the top.
You like the whipped cream.
Feeling festive today. Our straws. And there it is. Pineapple coconut cream with rum. What do you think?
Oh, it looks beautiful. I love it. It looks beautiful.
Let's give it a taste.
Yeah, it's good. It's good.
Okay. Not too strong? Good.
No. Cheers.
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 Till next time, guys.
Bye.